Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. And once again, welcome to your maths class. This is your maths class, and I have been teaching you numbers. And I have already taught you numbers from 1 to 50. We have done numbers, and I hope you all recognize the numbers now. By now, you must be recognizing all the numbers from 1 to 50, and you have to learn also the number counting, okay, that which number comes after which, okay. So, and I have already shown you the objects, yes, now. So there are different objects, and you have to count the objects and tell them how many objects are there. So today we will be doing a new exercise. I will be teaching you a new exercise in which you I will draw some objects, and you have to count the objects and tell how many objects are those. But before that, we'll just quickly revise, and I'll show you some objects, and we'll do the counting once again, okay. So now can you see what is this in my hand? This is a pencil box. What is this? A pencil box. How many pencil boxes in my hand? Can you tell? Yes, this is only one pencil box. So this is one pencil box. Okay. Like this, I'll be showing you few objects. Okay. So these are the objects, different objects. Now what is this? Yes, this is scale. One scale and one scale. So now it has become how many scale? Two scale. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So this is 2 scale. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now next I will show you. Now what is this? This is eraser. Eraser. And if I add one more eraser in it, how many eraser it has become? Then now it is 2 eraser. 1, 2. And if I add one more in it, how many are there? We'll count it, okay? This is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 erasers, okay? Now next thing is, yes, this is, what is this? This is sharpener. I'll just show you. I'll take it out and show you, okay? So this is what? This is the sharpener. So now I have, let me see how many sharpeners are there with me. I'll just see, okay? So I've got 1 sharpener, 2, 3, and 4. So how many sharpeners are here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I have got how many sharpeners? 4 sharpeners are here. Yes, now can you tell me what is this? This is a pencil. This is a pencil, okay? Now if I put one more in it, how many it has become? 1, 2. And again if I add one more in it, now how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Now again if I add one more, now again we'll count 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if I add one more in it, now how many it has become? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many are here now? 5 pencils. We'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So have you seen that when the objects are changing, the number again starts from number 1. Like I had four sharpeners. I counted from 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, na? And after that I had pencil, but I did not count this from 5. This was 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if I ask you how many pencils, you are not going to count 4, 5, 6, 7, and no, this is wrong. When the object changes or picture changes, you have to again count from number 1. Okay, always remember that. If the picture changes, you have to again, the picture or the object changes, you have to again start the counting from 1. Okay, again you will count from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now again I have here different pencils, like colored pencils. Now we'll count. We have counted those pencils, it were 5 pencils. Now we'll count this also. This is lead pencil, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now how many lead pencils are here with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here are 6 lead pencils, okay? Now after 6 comes what? 7. So I have got some sketch pens with me. So here are the sketch pens. These are the sketch pens. Okay, now we'll count them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I have got how many sketch pens are here with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here are 7 sketch pens with me. Okay, so I've got 7 different colored sketch pens. Okay, so did you see when I had 6 pencils? So after 6 I did not count from 7. So again I started the number from 1. Okay, so as the picture the object changes, you have to again count from number 1. Now I have got a box of, this is color octane color burst pens. Here are some pens I have got. I'll just see in this box how many pens are here. We'll do the counting. Okay, I'll just take it out from here and we'll do the counting. Okay, here are different colored pens that we have got. Okay, I'll just count it. Okay, how many are there? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many pens are here? 8 pens I've got. Again we will count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are different colored pens with me. So these are of different colors. Okay, this is of magenta color, this is green color. Okay, in this pen is of orange color. So these are different color pens. Okay, so there were 8 pens with me. Okay, now next object which I am going to show is, you will love to see that, and that is, yes, this is toy car. So I'll just count. We'll do the counting. Okay, let's see how many toy cars do I have. Okay, this is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many toy cars do I have? I've got 9 toy cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I've got 9 toy cars with me. Now let me see what more I have got. Yes, I've got some blue pens with me. I work with blue pen now. Big people work with blue pen now. Your father must be using blue pen. I have also got some blue pens with me. So I'll just count it. How many pens are here? Okay, we'll count it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again we'll count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I've got 10 blue pens with me. So you have seen that, children. So there are different objects, and we counted those objects, and we always started when the object changed. So the counting also we started from number 1. Okay, so always remember, whenever the picture will change or the object will change, you will always start it from number 1. We will again start the counting from 1. Okay, so now I'm going to we are going to do a new exercise, and that is that you have to look at the objects, the pictures which I am going to draw on the whiteboard, and then we will do the counting. Okay, first I'll draw the pictures, okay, for you, and then we'll count those pictures, and then we'll write the numbers. Okay, so I hope you must have taken out your copies. You are ready with your pencil and copy. So now today's date is, what is the date today? Today is which day? 3. Yes, children. So today is 3rd of September. Which date is it? 3rd of September. 3.9.20. Okay, this is 3rd day of September. And this is your CW. Okay. So now the topic is that we are going to do is count and write. So we are going to count the objects and write the numbers. Okay. C O U and T. Now you cannot write this now, so you can ask your mother to write the heading. Okay. Heading your parents can write. Okay. Because I have not taught you the small alphabets, so headings your parents can write. So this is count and write. Okay. So now the very first picture which I am going to draw is, just see very carefully. Okay. And then we'll do the counting later on. So can you see this? Yes. Now you can recognize which picture is it. This is tree. Yes. One tree, then one more tree, and one more tree. I'll draw over here, and one more tree. Okay, these are trees. Okay, we'll count later on. Okay, the next picture that I'm going to draw is, just have a look. Yes, now you must be recognizing this is, yes, a house. One more house. Now how many houses here? We'll count later. Okay, so first we'll draw it. Okay, now next picture. Yes, this is a ball. Okay, and I add one more ball in it. One more ball. Yes, one more ball, one more ball, one more ball, okay. Okay, now next picture. Yes, this is a glass. One more glass, one more glass, one more glass, and one more glass. Okay, now next picture is, yeah, this is a mango, one more mango, and one more mango. So these are few pictures which I have drawn for you. Now we are going to count these objects. Okay, so we'll count the pictures and then we will write in front of them. Okay, okay children. So now the very first picture is of a tree. So we'll count how many trees are there. Okay, so let's count together. Okay, this is one tree, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many trees are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write 4 over here. Okay, so very carefully you are going to leave few squares over here, and then you will write over here 4 in front of tree. You will write 4 over here. Okay, So you're going to leave few squares, okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can leave 3, 4 squares, and then you can write, if you have space, you can leave 3, 4 squares, and you can write it over here, okay. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 trees. Then next picture is of house. So we'll count how many houses are here. So 1 and 2. How many houses are here? 1 and 2. 2 houses. So we'll write 2 below 4. We'll leave one square. We'll leave one square below 4, and then we'll write 2 in front of this house. Okay. So this is 2. Okay. You counted. There were 2, 1, 2 house. Now next picture is ball. Yes. Now let's see how many balls are here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many balls are here? There are 7 balls. So what we'll do, we'll write 7 over here, but we will below 2 we'll write 7, but we'll leave one square and then we'll write over here. Okay. You have to leave one square, okay, between 2 numbers. Okay. So in front of ball you will write 7 over here. Okay. Now next picture is, this is class. Which picture is it? This is a class. Now let's count how many classes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many classes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll write 5. Below 7 we'll write, but we'll leave one square over here and then we'll write 5. Okay? Yeah. Okay, next picture is mango. These are mangoes. So let's see how many mangoes are here. 1, 2 and 3. How many mangoes? 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write 3 over here. Below 5 we'll leave one square and then we'll write number 3 over here. Okay. So this way we have to do our work. So once again we'll do the counting. Okay. Now you understood how you have to do. So in front of the picture you have to write the number. Okay. First you will count the picture and then you'll write the number. So now the tree, how many trees were there? There were 4 trees. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you wrote 4 over here. Okay. Now next picture is house. But you're not going to count after 4. Okay. Some of the children, they get confused and they start counting after 4. Like you wrote 4 over here, then you will say 5, 6. No, this picture is different. So you will again count from number 1. Because this was 3, so you counted 3 and you wrote 4 over here. But you are not going to count after 4. Then you are not going to count here. Now next picture is of house. Now you are not going to count like this, 5, 6. No, you will again start the counting from number 1. Okay, always remember that. Now, if the picture changed, here it was tree, now it is house. So now picture has changed. So you have to again count from number 1. Always remember that. Okay. So from here again you will count. So which is the first number? 1. Okay. So you will count from 1, 2. So how many houses are here? 1, 2. So you will write 2 over here. Again, next picture is ball. So you are not going to count. You have written 2 over here. You are not going to count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, that is wrong. So after 2, when you come to this picture, next picture, you will again start the counting from number 1. Okay. So you will count from here. You will say number 1 over here. Okay. So this is how many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you wrote 7 over here. Now again picture has changed. So again you will start counting from number 1. So how many glasses? Now this is glass. Okay. So you again count from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 glasses. Now again picture change. Okay. Now this is mango. So again you will start from number 1. So 1, 2 and 3. So how many mangoes are here? 1, 2 and 3. So you wrote 3 over here. So I hope you have understood this. Okay. This work you are going to do in your maths 1 copy. Which copy? In your maths 1 copy you are going to do this exercise. Okay. Very neatly you are going to do the exercise And if you want to draw the pictures on, you can draw the pictures. Okay, try to draw on your own. Okay, and practice drawing the pictures also. Okay, so if you are not able to draw the pictures, then you can take the help of your mother. Okay, your mother can draw the picture for you, and then you can you can count and write the numbers, okay, in front of them, but try to draw the pictures yourself, okay, so that you can learn drawing also. Okay, in this way you can learn how to draw different pictures. Okay, so very neatly you are going to do this work in your which copy you are going to do? You are going to do this work in your Maths 1 copy, M1 copy. Hope you have understood. Okay, so God bless you, children.